Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a default Safari Favorite Bookmark folder on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and then in Settings, you want to go down and tap on Safari. Okay, in Safari setting page, go down and tap on Favorites, and then from here you want to set a folder that you want to set as a default folder. So in here you can see under Favorites I have created a folder called subfolder, and within the subfolder I also have other subfolders. So let's say if I choose subfolders as the default, this will allow me to quickly access favorite bookmarks when I enter an address, search, or create a new tab. So let's test it out and see how it works. So I'm going to swipe up to go back to my home screen, and I will open up a web browser. And in here, if I tap on a new bookmark, you can see in my favorites here, it now shows subfolder 3, subfolder 2, and 2 other bookmarks. So I can change that. So if I go back in here and tap on Safari and then favorites, and then if I choose favorites as the root folder, then if I go back in here, you can see it changes accordingly. So based on my selection, it will change accordingly. Okay, so if you go to a web page, so Wikipedia, and if you tap on the share button and then tap on add to favorites or add bookmark. So if you add to favorites, it will save to favorites, or if you tap on add to bookmark, add bookmark, it will set a default location to subfolder, as you can see here. Now this is simply just a preferred location. You can change it still. So if you tap on it, you can still change to other folders, but by default it is set to the subfolder as we have set it in settings. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.